Hey guys, Eric here with a third-party Transformers unboxing. This is from a company called ACE. I got it on TFSource and they had it for a great deal. It was $29. It's regular price $79.99, and it's a masterpiece version of hubcap. Yeah, and it's still sealed and everything. The only thing I'll say bad about it, just I haven't even opened it. You're going to see me open it here on the video. Is I ordered it from TFSource, and I'll take Christmas into account. I ordered it on the 19th and it arrived on the 28th, so 9 days. It's a little bit long in the shipping, but you know, that's not too much to complain about. It's supposed to have a bunch of accessories, and it's got some LEDs functions inside. I don't know, but let's open it up and just see what it looks like. I've never heard of this company. So I don't know anything about ACE, but I'm sort of the person that I like Transformers, but I like a great deal on something too. That's like when I ordered that Barricade. I wouldn't have bought Barricade, honestly, without a great price on Amazon. And sort of the same thing with this. I wouldn't have bought this, but $29. It's got die cast. It's got a bunch of other stuff. Some LED functionality. I mean, I don't even know what that means, really. Something lights up. I don't know if it's the eyes or the weapons or what. Let's see. This is why I really hate opening boxes on video. It's easier to do it off screen than try to do it on camera, because it never goes as smooth as you want it to go, right? And there's always tape everywhere and all that. Alright, come on. Really? Honestly, I don't want to tear the box up. There we go. Because I'm a kind of a person, I like to keep the boxes in good shape. Because you never know. I mean, just say somebody makes a better figure down the line. You want to, you know, sell it. It's always nice to keep the box. Okay, so we got plastic baggie here. And they call them hiccups. This instruction manual. And it seems to be pretty good. Nice in color. And then let's see, plastic clamshell. And oh, he's got his own little display case there, sort of. So there he is. Hey, that's kind of neat. Oh, and it's got like a mounting thing. Ah. Okay. Hey, this is I'm gonna say this. Wow, this is man. I'm not gonna even be able to get this thing open here. Oh man. Huh. Look at the case though. I mean, you don't see stuff like this. You really don't. I mean, everything is in like paper or, you know, styrofoam or a little bit of foam or something like that. This is all nicely encased. Huh. Alright, well let me I'm gonna do a quick cut, try to figure out how to get this thing out of the shell, and we'll come back. Okay, here he is out of the packaging, and you know, it is by all means not a perfect figure at all, so just in a few minutes here I've been messing around with it. It looks like the LEDs are going to be on the big cannon here that sort of was used by Cliff Jumper in the episode where he shoots at Megatron and completely misses. But you know, it looks like you put batteries in here and that will light up. And that's the only thing I really see. It does have a stand here, so you can do some different things with that. The figure itself is just basically Pops into the back of him. I think you can probably do more with it. The hands have they're actually molded, so you don't have any actual fingers, and the weapons basically pop in. It is not at all super tight or anything like that. You got loose. Got a little bit of looseness in the legs here. Not that big a deal. Nice die cast in the bottom. Feels pretty good. The head. See, the head is. I mean, I guess I can slide that down a little bit. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. I was like, man, that looks terrible with the head popped out so much. But overall, he's not a bad looking figure. I wish that the fingers would articulate a little bit better. He also comes with this little, I don't know if it's a blast or whatever, you can pop into the hand over there and put in. I don't really like that so much. You can also, you know, man this too if he wants to in his hand. So I don't know if I really, you know, necessarily store them in that manner. But yeah, the stand is pretty neat. I mean, you're talking $29, so I mean, you know, it's got a lot of weight on the bottom end, which is pretty good. I actually like that. So, but yeah, you could do, you know, different function, you know, different posing like that, and then mount him on the back. And if you don't want to do that, then you can slide this piece out. You know, you could actually have him like that, and there you go. I got him in a display case. That's fairly neat. I mean, I kind of like this idea. It's kind of unique. If you don't do a lot of collecting, it probably wouldn't look too bad on the shelf. Overall, $29. Gotta say it's worth it right now. We'll see how it looks. Do some probably some pictures at the end of the video. I'm gonna try that. I haven't done that in a video before, but let's try it. Just some comparison shots and see what he looks like on the end. And then you can see him beside some other Masterpiece figures. I have a Toro that I haven't unboxed yet, so it'll be interesting to see how he compares size-wise with him. And then maybe down the line I'll get a Bumblebee and compare him to him. But overall, $29 can't beat that price. So let's do a quick cut and let's go to vehicle mode and see how it looks in vehicle mode. Okay, we're back here and let's just avoid the car mode because he is, wow, he's loosey-goosey here. I mean, it's even got worse since I was started. Look at this. This is, ooh. This whole center section here is like super loose now. And you know, $29. I mean, I'm working, tightening up some screws and some pins and stuff like that. The weapon is still not super tight in here, but overall, I mean, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. I was having some issues with the robot mode, and it was just these are soft plastic. Watch these mirrors right here. They probably will break off very easily. I was having some problems just trying to get the hands folded back in the back, and then it was just getting super loose on me. So I was like, yeah, let's just skip it. It's a car. It looks like a Porsche. So basically, you get the gist of it. Do you want to spend $29 on our Masterpiece scale figure? Do you need another mini bot? Then sure, pick it up. Is it going to be some great figure that you're going to really enjoy and love? I don't think so. It's got some out of the box loose joint issues to me. We'll tighten it up and see. I mean, I'm not going to just crap on it so bad, but there are some things I would like better about it. Definite plus is the base and the stand and all that. I really like that. That's it's kind of a neat idea with this. You can mount it, but for the figure itself, I can't say it, this is really irritating that it was not this loose and then it got loose in the last, looser and looser. So we'll work on it. We'll get it together, and Maybe I'll come back to it at some point, but what I'll do is I'm going to put it on the shelf with some of my other figures and just do some comparisons. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and share and click the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate all that. God, man, this is really frustrating here. I hate it when you get something like that. I mean, the quality's not terrible. It's just, God almighty. Why is it getting so loose so quickly? I'll work on it, though. I won't give up on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.